TikTok is full of expert-level video editing tools that allow you to add some creative flair to your uploads. However, that doesn't mean it's a fully fledged editing suite, and one thing that TikTok doesn't have is a blurred background tool. Blurring your background is useful for all sorts of tricks, from providing privacy to emphasizing the foreground of your video, but there's no one-click option in the app. Thankfully, using TikTok's green screen effect as a workaround, you can capture and blur your background in just a few simple steps. To start, leave TikTok closed on your phone and instead, open the camera app. Capture a photo of your background, or whatever background you want to use in your video. Next, you'll need an app that can blur your photo. If you have a preferred photo editor, feel free to use your own. For a quick blur effect on iOS, we used Blur Photo Effect Background. Although it has ads and a subscription fee, both are optional for blurring a photo. It was harder to find a good blurring app on Android, but Photo Editor Pro worked in a pinch. Paint your blur on your photo, then save and export it back to your camera roll. With your background captured and blurred, we're ready to head to TikTok. Open the Creation tab in the app, then select the green screen effect from the Effects tab. It's one of the top effects in trending and has a simple icon with a photo on top of a green background. By default, TikTok will display a stock image behind you using a virtual green screen, but we want to add our blurred background instead. Using the image selector along the top of the Effects tab, select the photo you blurred in the previous step. With your blurred background, you can pinch and zoom on your selfie to move where you are in the video, while your background remains blurred. Good lighting helps keep this effect accurate, so make sure you're filming in a well-lit room. Once you've finished your video, you can move on to publishing and sharing it in TikTok. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.